whole idea is just irresponsible.
Huh? Irresponsible? So what? It's more grown up to settle for living in fear behind some stupid wall your whole pointless life?
Eren! Mikasa, the boy needs to be protected from himself. Promise me, whatever happens, I can count on you to have his back.
I'm with you. You don't have to... I do!
So do I.
Damn it! I'm not trying to drag you in! Look, there's no point in following me to my death!
Yeah. And if I can help it, then it won't be your death.